Malungil tutaw, pia, kal special guest lagi, atal pa ratang, kurang mal happy Monday.
Yes.
Katukuk mermal, mertial program lagi tera DOTAUT, DOTAUT Tekoi Ureor, doing business in Palau. Magi malot ke tirgel gugo bangge, ter el al tutaw, tirgel omes, man mereng asule lages, ngila temel akuk me bangge ter el al tutaw. Mau era boto mu lagi akmal ti oibit kal gakrel batas. Etia tangura Isaiah 41:10. Was say, fear not, for I am with you. Be not dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you. Yes, I will help you. I will uphold you with my righteous right hand. Tiyak mal plakatak, lumasela ko matak, tiyak ko penggem, Dios ang malungit ti alburs sa kauling. Ako penggem, malakabodra rungu, may nga ka Dios sa kau. Mamalisi irakaw, o yak mo sukaw. Emo or kataw, long saaw, lopatyal, lisi ela ima. Man masawla Dios. Okay. Aki mal loke raro il adal lobang kamamaleng kal kestri kita pia maral dito tangali din so adal mo tal mal mo matangali letir ke lo open ke tar el altutaw at akal sal matangali kal adal alensit to bat yan ngakla din dia lo tangel waseng ka tire kal mal to kubet sel ngia uleng abela tire kal la abatol to abotasis men mo tar el al time mungil tutaw adal barata
tutaw I mean mapia malungil tutaw malungil mo dul mitel sure kami malungil mitra audience review mal nasaw I so ma mulwase happy Mother's Day to both of you
man nasaw
man nawil silsra din eli directly birthday ra sister nga Irene, so happy belated birthday.
Paise. Ang karam le kampay nang kamag-rapper to Ma Marvin.
Event. Da man sal invite mertial Shorgi de man barang udal kuk malat Irene ka mapialo sing it's dal kuk kura lisi an diran gerel subdatil wasing ngania te ahal bukto sa da gel beslul das won gela a future gel ma ada belau ma gel dolat gel la tora business da di dolat ka gel diungil direct el momsa da gel direct lum ta absul
sebedal suba beto
inra what we learn from them direct sa dal motat sa gel kukto meslosing gire del improve rabalul mo sutrir entrepreneurs mar young people la business
man kamal masal mo lokot an pamdang ni adal ba tanga mal support art one of the few man awdudan mabdingin magaswero ko man language ma culture man
ibela lagi
quite
so apart south sera museum lagi tirgal artist lagi moral gire del ngora Tekoi pakal ramlai sel oba mas ramlai mo makal kamo sigi sel pomok mok kurngir tian lai mo sebel tian lai lungil lo makal
why say
ya atar osis akran maklor other vela se ole al sum como militara lilaat e maldi mol ngwa print el ar buida de anglo ngala bergula print ngala bergula print a print sel kora ke grel blan bes il dobal mala ang mat el motra tao ang mat lagel el daw el mosois mortial lain mo mahal lagi el morulil morbum kamu mo batim mal Ureor serbo mas ramla kamal timon mga print so lai mga tial
si man ngila balgulan
magko tutulele pia ya kapag karang aram museum sa the arts makwasing el alsil se ngakangatyal kanul kamiu.
I see.
Malungwa prinde maldi momlim tumong ngamirtyal.
Sila ko tal-inspire let Pati yung sa kalbusada lagi.
Malungil tial building, Irene, malungil tial studio, malungil tial programmer kara DOTAUT.
Tekoi Ureor.
Ureor. Direct mamsala pier mal contribute ra low life ngil help ra museum ergi, mar young artist ergi. Capture egel go kore ka egel do maseng lo labar maklol at al mumudia rida. O ina kama telara rupa ka sa ligra elsias episo ma ina ite Victoriano ma over there Patrick Delay ma Lisa Tinaru ma ongela ibudul amla motivation dul yuta agigon sa ma reply lom October sele Micronesian Voicing Society mengaringigel gerel adal cesariol kimol museo losikaw do mong sebelo lisakla wakal ma
Tial tokora navigation.
Namo made it through drama dangel gimoru ding. It's still alive and ding. En anger be birar mirel ledra susol mat obel kumak samariartim tam lamo malas aigal kanu. Magal mung mung demi taike. En model sed el mutul dos mol lai.
Malbarang.
El program lo rula piera museum maral mosugi del lo rega da gel gup le teleda fundación de la DOTAUT tu a print
il amra bes
gula print ma direct el matel non dia ang girel ngarngingel ase pial taklel Ramaru yakman na usa.
Augusta Ramaru.
Augusta.
Matangol.
Oy sister
man. Mani adritir ka ram museum historian.
Oy dia.
Talumamrang natangol.
Odum sa ram museum piang maldito story nga kalgire la museum ide. Akirel ade me di ulumay ram museum ra almost 2-3 times a week. Di mo dong offer sale table la rural charity ones. And arts, akti mga dado ringi, di mala dado. Mga ngo arts tial arts ako garing la se udulay til ang harang. Tirga rupa kar orol. Lenggelu arts ay gel nara osengera gel ate. Mga humes tial imora painting lo seringi. En melu sra dalba lela kamduk lumaykal roso sel lela kamayle elmla adang aram la omura makmutyang kermase o lei sera kibgerel ade gibora akaso sa mama aram tale ki mukuti tal klolngigel bosaksi tal klolngigel so la omura ni membro sengi la pelu ma
Saigel alta atu.
Oy mending akmal di milna da do ngi makmal lo sumria regal el story ngi engel.
Telari kembra polsera sabi. Katir ka kerela.
Dia gal polsera Charlie gibon sak angara 20 dia kamla mo dori gemlon moro ba kamla mo flor ade le ura le kemle ura tagi. Le ura tagi lara para matiak ngoro lo mengkelai betul. Tirubah maklo telgibun dan lindik mane soktial lo mai selmora museum makka kungele melala tu mengati reklum le kira blul ape ai em le kira bola be le mutri adra do
so police
ngoram le administrative officer a collecta badwes mangrang or the German government mga aktirep man nila ang story ngi ngam lagi trail ad mo man to ka ang story ngi diferente ako masagil story
kanti ka masaulid siya le ako ay sir ka adal baratang lo set tial programa actually tiwa dos week nga kamapiya Leng agib lo oil le at atu sa putal mo bel merbela wal se makarang at tong al wol wortial al klibel argi tra wai ku kidal generation wai ka sera ku mo at atu rasali mangmal la on mang somam ti agi dal wase at to Ureor may kal klibel argi dal to culture agi del tal marayan ti ang read makaman masaul ku ko wai sa Seid masaul pial kim kay nga sertiang.
Ding ba nungil kami sa sel. Ngem lo in his later years naman nurupa ke ito mo ko is kam uskit sel osingem sel time ko upper belagi Ureor mong o art yan wala
no stamp sa gel art rilang matibor hindi na kalguk pa ere sali and so kalguk para focus raw Charlie Gibbons a family tiplo all was Sali, which is the way I seem so Charlie. Sali. Ya focus ako mamel el araw ka el tutaw man so mam tirigelo mes may kanila polo del was en malta nga alensid. Makakukuk mle el lerger other bela.
Mama piar ko giklol other bela el alsid. Oy nakamo Aklor haba PPR eli mapera biler kamamlongal ka. Man lo swakti al garil ngal waitress le manle bitanga kasi. Adal baratang kau kumlamo senior citizen nanti ya. Kasi nakakaman na senior citizen. Nakaka next month, actually a month from today, yak mo 65.
Wow!
So you know,
that's the new
more celebrate.
You know, pada pala tiyak to tingin din na ay kadikit am lam tel ending mal hotel clol experience kita ra.
Ay kan wisdom mar how.
Oh, ay mo na to sister Irene Malxilubira. To al angko mar ang anti sergi dik mangilura o pudra padre Belix. E pia mal dilo sali dekadil kita masaw dergit. Magingi. Waktu orang selmu kapsotak para mobil wasak mol semoda ke mol tergib. Ati ko dong lihat sih. Al sukum pompungal wasak amal diwa opumra arak mal wasak amal diwa. Jadi pia we grew up together. Medelo siswam klunge de. Redul mesrak to kal klol adam mam le chat mamir kaum tial stoang kambiu marwa takeo yano rapitang ruang odri mam marwa urar ulda kama arwa Sicilia ra evergreen en mat atak time skater tial mamay bakery is still here among
Sir Ryland, lokaro ring yak man le boulevard.
Boulevard kul mesrar tol adal. El survive life fertile contribute to the community local business. All those years arwa ngirar sala al tam to adalo hindi nganga o movie theater e modia kaudo dra color elementary school. Mung every week, every month, peras adal kuka kalira ngal school from his business of salary. Marwarudim, malik to contribution til mula tiale misenti school.
Catholic mission.
Dim lagi kare emsa valura business. Atara man lo business emlar sel bitar kita beserak. Ora apply construction. Mak dim lagi kare lgui ko senga boklol aden soal mo business. Gel mal personally man na inspire nga kalada terong ngirak kel episong maromant matu aplol of course maubura paulis maktire tu gel hindi mneswakan mo de emersel du rengerti
work ethic
ang kagidang kang gel at total gel betek lakmel on time
pamal basa
tirge rupa kamle on time ang DOTAUT magis ready what can they accomplish for that day of our diswed of huk mo manas mal dura au daspo di al alul ade Irene to have SLT al tirgay pa ko mas ang clear tarwa mutul ma ngirar saul ma wangirat kel episong amne madu arandir hindi kel kuk mlete alal mortira aku mlete alal sel time
I see.
you know hindi al time aku magikrel at aku ngani habe eserte alal
I see.
di seguida renga rakl mariar seguida kadal mi agigida beselte alas pedal mo mesam odo mesa besel business ra other velar el anga gagida tara ardil leges kumya nansi bo
Donut House.
donut house aku ke wasam masangan la start telecom business arwa penthouse la mo ya boutique hotel sertir un suadel lo mesra armierel adal mo omelas mar esru das
I see.
ngani sel tol dili I mean lel waseng sel kotel enemy ra becoming mo sebedel other business sel omadak tel fail
I see.
ngire mo onde lengani sel tiginga dar adal belal wase ak moruli tiang mo otomali yang betamala ise
Malmara.
kita aku ngani sel kultur kita malgar gek man dia kan betamala ise ngakuk soal multi se se debora besel das au gerel ar au gerel dil la komdak tel malas mara besel to boy len al sugo mung tru el molasm ya kel time mo dia al sabel sel imora gel tru tama mo sabel it's worth it
You're a living example of that.
well
Pagkagawad malasa patangin.
aktiwa sing hindi ka madaktal malas mabesel to boy hindi ka madaktal masuba besel to boy nga niya to boy piyal ang dangalil kora term ra business wasi thinking outside the box kada kora abang kulsel to ba say ka hindi ka dimosada diosisi po mo las marabes nga kamla klise pial mo dia kal thinking outside the box kada other belaw nga kapuiger belaw puiger akron ako ko say think outside the reef
Thinking outside the reef.
labi marat kula lamaw labi marat sel kuk todo mo ray krel at tangan nga klol ngigel maluben
Kau yang mana influence o mamal tilay mamal kuk magkakarelat. Think outside the reef.
Pelol ngara omrara abdulat. Bebil nga mabi, bebil nga kulta, mal bebil nga kamar ngergek. Imorat ko pial mal di longro nga ka Sophie. Agi morger magpasa. Sigidak malungil borbela. Agi morger sigidak malungil bor. Hindi ako po itial bela ko team ensure tial omro. Then sometimes in trouble and you see something or sa di sigidak malungil. Dreli bela si ta program dreli bela. Mong dirga kalsto ba gigi dulu the sweat or say
Albert tikarang alakal mertel bulwadar bela ngulumu orang maldir kamangal ang lakaw ni amaasa kuram ni influencer ka kuran ma
Nakama obugude Irene ra Johnson Toribio and I malodang si Ruba ang agibol all kaswe se malimam gal dal tuta ada du ndi sel imol to oy molmut eli mong dilin bena kasi olay kita oleh ngal tengah terung nongol kirar maas. Mesra kita ngod oleng tamil ngalio orgi de mga tergi de meski daw ngil balti gren hola do nga ka ku direk ko ya nge mlengal gela di ralu se nga ka mlengal gela di radai bak direk el sel doral mo clone a teenager ang ya gel time kirem lokwad ang suaman mo mrura maknit sel gora kirem ngore piang lang ha kasi ading ko ngertiang mo adil nakadiyak sa kalmo ngertiang lang mo kitar mula adil ring lang mula gel belti kirem beg waktu mali ser akmal it was my Mother's Day yesterday akmal di Odo siya dala karati rata man sal milgurula kalau kongel segi dan tinggal abela or nga ka dia ka bol aro nga ka atara adal diwar tok adal الأسف إذا الكيرا نيويورك إذا الكيرا LA عندي كمان مرانيا مال ألغو كيرا يروشلم دي على سبيل التيرور بيك ما دي على سبيل التيرور ديوسنا ما دي على سبيل تبلو الواق kami ko kumoda do ako
ya te kama close to telela seguido lo ko ang pasamaran tamelo ba seguido el value te kaya o babalu o tilabalu tomro mo king mo leaders ma mo adrapoy mo to para
ngania do gabil telul kabila mo wala ng roxy ang personal experience nga kami omes nga all our life nga swal mo dado
tila ko sang karakaw
dim lagi kare mos maria dado reng
sen ko katyo ko reker tiga se
nga klegra dala daro kalam lo kititil mot ele talo ba kwase nga swal milima ko hi ngil dala kasi ngal ka ay kal ko hi mal di miliran mo klol at makwase adentro nga mirula ko hi sa tumirular adarang bar tila maral dia kalungil merulat ko ngaram dia kadruli miliran maklaw mal oh betul dia orang til aslek maral limle curious hindi akul pagkala betul yuta ka pia 1980
Pero ya sa sila raw di mo lang sa Michi may archive. Ya sa first
1985 en Tekoi lara Sweden. Mo ibedulam la Winra Award, the Right Livelihood Award ang clip. Kmul wase tiang alternate Nobel Prize. Nigel kuk Nobel Prize amor ngi esel kuk pol next day more ngit yagit raigel ku takalwes sa bebira abalul lomru abela omodang lil le hotel constitutional
nuclear
free mang segitam le ule ta award derse magiblong piam lesson gela dimla kalgere mle dartel tela el club ta award der tial chegal morngil libdul esola momoda do mangakul ng serngil si aldaal long maliba aldaal mo ngil di tiara al mereka tigamle tere tetewal adal blewin award Sweden ay bidulam le 13 di tiara al barnya interview ma question and answer tial clol telal adal second ay dula di lungal wase elang mom te ermakal mo or tial pano ay bidul makmlong selmle aldat akal maral
Seid mo talaga
sister 27 years old mel akma amado tiam tulo kasi nakakbuk mo karang ada nervous sister
why say
di sel keren berna ke ngi akmul wase maraw ul makamiwar adal belaw ang asyukang kamiu el tirgel mo ibdul mar mo chips alolut kertira adil mardil
tila obreo del que
semane
of course from Europe patiga man pattern
oling arwa Europe the kings from the father aram terdil ma ya kita mlenger ngage pian marangilaran dir akmurtil wase when a mother or a grandmother raises a boy, they give love to that boy and raise that boy to be a leader of the clan and of the land. And then when it's time to choose a leader, they don't choose just a person or a man who is strong, who can be a great warrior. They will choose a man who knows the value of the love of the mother.
Wow, you said that.
That's what I said. Marahil look to karadal may oy nga wow, that was really good.
Tilat mola.
Mola. Nga igel guk unique other belaw. Kamamaru bak. Kamamaru dumiw. Agim garang ong tabe ra rang miwar de aru de mam. Marcelo mulra o dam mura o dam. Se ma klot tele. Ai gigidel.
Tiro ko ya di o dil matman.
To o
man de hitter se go.
Why say?
Ora tel gibel lo mil el tamr eli piam. Aklo also siya imura sol sra.
Yan man mga pangat.
Ora ngangal gera ora siya. Papa kau kadir ka tay job. Di moral gire del makreo saigel value gidel atal belau.
Why say?
Uspe ay gidel value gidel lo rol lo vungel tal besel blulat.
Why say?
Hindi kal bugulo say mo rol rab besel blulat. Mga moy taygan value gidra ira alme.
Malmara.
Uspe ay gidra tele la Ureor. Imora toil lul siklida. Sel de pora ngabarat. Tolis akrgal wasi kam advertiser kau. Kamo otau kamu simang kasomel mo aktor mo kasomel hasil rajab mo kamara. Ya, Padre Felix again o story nga was akmura school mo Padre. Engkalo tara ada di mo datu urngak. Di mo datu urngak et swala gi mo datu. Yang aku klosis aku salin takat salmo Tekoi. Besel loral miak aku mula kal melihat o ere kal aku mula mo tikal belo.
Lamaswal mag-isil mga
Kami struggle Seid. Mura kabarde. Alakam kora all terkau. Eko kumaruriula. Ya aku tember bela masa alin dia kapong katoi, salin dia kam salman boy.
Oh, merdi ako.
Wala ka the balance sa kada mo karang uspe ay galbe isel talent. Hindi ko pa umungul dia kan somel kukrulaw mo ngarba branex.
Why say?
O ulin.
Wow.
Esel tara usis akra musel ka be. Maklot tutilel. Pemel ada mo ngin di ay raareng larngia klaita sa ra obusal ka be ra egal blur belau. Dan nga kapalel Ureor makapalel amalgeo. Ya hotel le marala iser ra egal rohui. Akabe klela kasabagu. Ya kasabagu akapalel blur rai. En level oil altamar ngarel ada daklo ngi ngania imol kasabagu. Armen larai let the block telu. Ay angka ora Siamese twin sel tu telu ladi meng selo mure at sumgal imorap telu la kuk mom saba kalele ngile mom saba tang mo dia kalo mure. Len hindi kal taul the sweet. Matamlol mo tar ndire mo sel bolo saba kalela imo et support ngi. Ma bolo saba kalela imo support ngi. Mo kurang bergulat bolu asing kada kakarosun di bol taul de Swede kada kakatkak.
Why sa kada kakatkak tilaw ngil to.
Sola selbornya klaita sa ra akabegal. Ay raya bel ol dingaru Matadil bi litaklela na special ngiding wase pasabul bel ol dingaru diklo korgel wase. Dia terlingua missionary git sing arngi rai kele lita kramisu lita klela ira ra kasababu malungil lita mo chirai kele kam ding aklo korgerel wase ngaramar adrai rai de atim level oil di ngaru kapadalir am longer tigal bebiran muklol ada wase mleta badesir abulgulat ko sel lo use ta badesir later
synchronize ang tokoram rigel
tarandir and di sel mal na interesting o say sel bolo yusa ngarabras be rai el masal ngaram say marangal gal ngarablay yusa rin dilo bentri say kita support the community di melgot kaya kita lo misal kapekal kaya kita material tabasil ako ra belgul kaya kita dol korngil wase kada mak lkakat kak lel muru Tekoi eng sebedel muru
Why say?
Away nga ka mo respect ra pian nga museum e support sa loringi respect ka ora galurere e oyang ra adal wa ka gidele liara sanuman burulay kale mong at sumbuk Maria tarangal kita gupong rura tarap esluror
ito support
support esel bol betok the support etial ka bagleda mo taba the seed sola exerro
tilang malungil to ko lagi na huk pina commercial break esel dalutal me yakdak manutan man DOTAUT ko Ureor pia mangkaruba ka maralin ko ang ilay kal inspiration sa ngidel at matingal waseng malmleel Ureor ang kapoy ko Ureor esel ngorong malmle boulevard ra business ra Ureor
business incubator
pia rogil hamlet ngorong hamle incubator ra to ko Ureor
mura KR mel mura kumangay bakery and all the businesses started there
makay kita ko dira ko ay suwasang bilangap cycle utong or sell evergreen lomakfit bato kay gal lungil floringira lang halos malak marang asulela dira tay gal mal korang milangat at urang nito ko maun makamal gentleman.
So you were saying so to ka business hindi kayo omes kay gid ko wala to ra showbay ma business around the neighborhood Mangarayal sel ko ta business venture ka o ay so start from there
sel ko ang laring passion or ka inspire ta lo mo or ngi
ko ta business nga kapia mal interesting nga teenager o myself borngar tourist ko ta trail mo rablia albus I was 16 urat kela se ka mo tour guide mahupte ter turisten mora biakan bus pong trigal klol ada del bus even ma
baris
ubura hitora ngi pungan skolei kakiremen mo businessman yang nga soal mo businessman mo oreme bungal wasi girem lom aregal storyboard kama me ultra
Ali ka 16 hari game 16
mahugore mel maudodra day mo makmaregal storyboard vai dia ko tirar turist mora lila kalbus akpai diola vai ga storyboard mora room tiro se mo arai first
16 years old I love that story
the hotel insta
ito na din naman advisor ka
game game lo makal nakal mo online ano ka tiga deng
sa kita nung malpagyaw ngua storyboard kan mara tourist
iba mo sa Swiss lo say
ultra
activity ra
ka smile lang man sa ngil customer service
kamil aral 20 dala mo ultra ngil adori dala di silman le interesting piak directly Montelal school akong tiul school other Jimmy Moikeha amle manager Continental Hotel Almid nga tegilo turist ngol kero nga kalmo nga say Alan after school you need to come and work I'm going to teach you the hotel business.
Wow.
Mahmoud, Jimmy, you know, after school I want to play. You know, I said, and he told them, "Murungal wase, tarak labse, moras mabard." And so mo do el waiter, malubang do el mrulakal. You will always have a job. Makupore emo Ureor, mamlepo tulure ka bellman. Amdang lisel.
After school.
Oh, say toka igale strip it.
One
summer and the school Ureor morning to evening or late shift. Ding ak mangidra igal torang kal mo deliver. Baby igal torang gil triadra ka para mga types.
Oh, I see.
Up the stairs mo may masela ka mo waiter. Start el surba kalle pia. Masela ka mo matmura ngale obudra matabalaw. Ngal dirgam lo smell adra ngarem lunguy. Amle ku ma imorardil. Mga kaulitirgal rodil. Esel pok mereka lo Ureor pia merat ngrong lar bui ko or uranga.
Alfi.
Wase kawa surbakal igal surbakal la di Ureor ardil. Yakam saal surbakal. Yang akamal di mumkitar mo kati utakakagal. Di sel lo ule ngakam lo kingerar bui ko. Selbok mereka lo Ureor tips ngakalo. Selbon sandel bornya mobil able aici. Ngelumir ngakamo mesa mobil. Then you get tips in cash. You know, if you have $5 a day in tips, that was and the value of money. Wow! If you have this little money, you have a little bit of influence. Looking back, Jimmy mo kaha.
Imasip ang aman minsa pungulan ka.
Atu orang rakam. Aman minsa ma atu orang.
Namo prol ade name mo adra olbira House of Delegates. Emle fly mora Hawaii musiki. Emitra ile merengasu.
Kahil wa.
Pombal namo kadalbuman ito to. Tikmura si Jimmy, thank you for taking care of me and giving me the inspiration.
Believing in me as a young man.
Lema ka mora LA. El mo school mora school msuka Jewish history ma. Amle ko tulurere kamlo ko kara a restaurant ra Sunset Boulevard.
Wow,
Madu. Oh, Madu le mora New Orleans makmol mo ko kara oil rigs. Mo waiter mora New York makmo waiter atara ngil restaurant. Mong kada smik apartment trigi ndi sel obom apply ba mo Ureor kumdu surba ka. Di ko ra di side story yan ta ko nila se kom dalil actor Henry Fonda.
Of course,
Who
the
doesn't?
Golden Pond.
The old man, right? And there's this restaurant on called Café La Fontuta. It's no longer there, but on 57th in Lexington and Park in New York. And I'm looking for a job, and this guy says there's a new restaurant, and they're looking for people. Ako nga si Senka owner ng adra Italil, Malota, Tanay, theatrical open. And Mr. Louis says, come back pong ang Lutelmera in a month. Say, gitselmle, alar mo de piara da kare. Mahogore, start mga dalagal, baksel, start mga martilyo, mga kulong serni. I said, no, you can't. I'm not. Doing it for pay. I just want to help you until the restaurant opens. Ma-start el per nga kalmol mo waiter. Maklo waiter tiya. Ekpo. Agim open et tiya dia ka imol o kya ke sister. Et tiya New York am secretary restaurant. For those of you who know New York, sel Soho. Am leblirir artist tiya. Nakadimra mitter trigal artist. Makmurgil Louis was Louis. I want to try something to bring customers. Makmoregal studio. Itial restaurant naman ito ka empty walls. Makmo makmitra artistic murtilo say. Hindi kal so mi rula reception kami ra restaurant ra ma'am. Gibes kami wa walls ra ma'am display art ra kami 1 month.
How brilliant! How brilliant!
Yeah, sister malamay margester tir mar supporter sir tir. Elo book motra art. Egukmen aku next artist alutesis.
Exhibitions.
Tial restaurant lain ang aray krel me. Magimlekan mo the swing. Haruba ka man lo tigar ngur nga kaleng mal lo swal tial. Mga kamlo aklo ko ngi mo manager ngi. Morning winter akmal urtur ngi waseng mal extender winter makmora Key West. Makukmora Key West makukuror el waiter. Sira para New Orleans aklo mo ko kay kal all rigs.
Wow.
Akti going back to Henry Fonda. El Uncle Henry Fonda le kierte gidel building next to this restaurant. It's selame tirgal waitresses and waiters. Oh, Mr. Fonda, we loved your movie. Love me. After a week, he went to see the owner of the restaurant and he says, I only want that young man to serve me and no other. Mr. Fonda, would you like the usual? Yes. No, I want this. The reason I like that young man is he doesn't invade my privacy. He doesn't talk about the movies that I did. He leaves me alone. And I need peace in my old age. So that's my story. And by the way, that same restaurant that Sarah, 1995, in early morning of December, I was a member of the delegation with the late Peter Sunyama, now still alive, then Minister of State Andy Palau, and Isaac Swalabao.
Independent na before.
Ma President Nakamura, ma Temismul. Yakul era House, Peter Sunyama era Senate. Gimlong, President Nakamura gave a speech, and the UN General Assembly voted to accept Palau as a member.
Yes.
Seid, maulak pa isip yang, mani magalkol tagimong emor Cedric le, sel opera UN and blow all the flags of the world. Gimlon moradolong le Pakistan, Panama, and then raised the flag. So we raised the flag, and of course everybody cried in the ceremony, and then the President Nakamura says to me, and some Palauans, other neighborhood Amlay, kele Tomas Rarngula Taramlay, Deborah Toribiong Mumlay, Maharbebi Rangal. Anyway, ngal President Nakamura se olay, delegate, di akakura restaurant tial belul, bodongalien, bukor gidel mo mura kapsagero kuy, makmal hampli akpase. President Nakamle waiter restaurant yang di mula da borse manggak mo alin segi de kadam mo independente sel president del bor america lang wala ba secret service o ta may gero will pasol bornia giril moche que make sure mel angak mistrira address volunteer restaurant da segi go mura 7 o'clock table for how many. We want the mezzanine floor. El Atirgal Secret Service Irene, Amol Maigal German Shepherd, El Mul Chertial Building, Dehadu, it's a part of their routine. El Angma 7 o'clock, Maigal, Lira Secret Service, Amengo, the Mam, Agim, Parker Tial Matala. To sell the bong at the clear out parking. Engil Louis, Michael Class, had all recta the Bosel. I get to the name of it's you, it's you. You have your soil, and Mustoma free wine, Mama Moral, Milk, Caldiner, Mama Dick President Mal Saul, Moigidel, Gongem Mertel, Kuluro, and Iraq.
Kami sa isang klonal like a at Malui, Kukaldang ako. Lausang kamlan mo teliget ng kamle waiter nga kamlan mo teliget.
Sarah 1981. Kerel bui ke sel at 25 argik, I think, or even in 23 or 24, 1981. Moses Sam, mal mereka sulele pia mel wase olay ka kumester kang suama aldatu, may bom master ceremony kita tial first constitutional day. Ese gide tirga kor obes na al baby tama kuring sa puliu da tingala itu le ora MC ra Ureor state tirga ngiltakan mo o master of ceremony tial first constitutional government tirgi da har war mi gamlo president
1981.
en lo vice president Alfonso Itrong ale udu amlo president ra senate amlo speaker ra house amle Carlos Sali sera first constitutional any aklo MC mong mal ndirga ko beser sel speech ra president legal nga kamle translate ngi from milyon adult to Palau nga ka ulu ngi mo to ra ngel nga bebi ra bursa ngi el malgré del di recadrar mo de olisak pan begrel as Palauan people we must chart our own course our destiny is within our hands ya cultura kal colonister gid over the many generations ding maamrek tiang etia dia ka plan for lunch oleng tia hukti mla plan ra program el moria lunch engka gidle tara staff ra Moses Marun amos me ra melwase mem announce mortirgal podium guest edobora aniko edo lunch olek tia dia kalwai disirar magim tura niko sister tia dim lo mu dia kal ready nga ubay tial bile ke necktie et bakase dia ka choice ngire del disurra pia makmura makamle other se makmu helpers magim of ablawang ermula burger mapaloni sandwich maigal klol trail watelo ara imake ola paikal kalel sur
MC Masur
ovoren kal other garu bakal le president ratu balu awlo dia imak was a young man. Aren't you the master of ceremony? But yes, I am. I used to work here as a young man. Mark my word, you're gonna be a leader someday. Sometimes I look at them as low-paying jobs. These are character building.
Character building.
Build a sense of confidence in yourself. How to deal with people, and it's ongoing. And then, one time in the staff nga, selgi morar ablu atul kora meeting. Mal oklin momring la man lom del was tiagit sit imorat ko lakreliak mal okla al suumen dia kal tip rabel men
wise
blue mal dia ser stobel tip per tir
and dia kamal masaule ak madengel was kita sa baedal mo buto ka sure kita lobon kem leng maral to ko ing mal buto ka igen sa bael share inspire me kakrela may algo ko to ko ramoray kay kita passion ma expertise ra ka to ko Ureor matokora business and so bael guktiw ay sulwas ang maral el ang ngaringa ngal karbelal dia kal san batingan waset kal Malaysia kauya dire kalul ngaringa Malaysia o ay mang so bael guk share kay kita guk problem root to ko business
Oy, to ka blood root, ma blood fail, ma blood succeed. Malungilan mo din nga Malaysia ling. Tara example Irene nga ka ko to klol adara limam rel ang mamlongal kay sera tumurud ni dir ada Rafaela, ma Isabela, ma Viola. Nilaran deal mo kong elwase. May malakadol trartial at mede di investor tial at mede mo partner tial business. Mlemring la hindi ko dul sigil mo tigrar adal mo kong yelo kong get at tara lulukor ngar ada say tiak man darira yitlul dasu lendia kar adal turist sorin mervela la bol kira bitara alol dia kar sori kira ngela belu hindi nga ako kulum dasu say ngar magikrel ada soril nara ma businessman
I'm not travel the world when New York
center town you know if I had to do it over again I might do it differently but then we learned a lot how to build how to manage construction say no excessive cost ngiden trigal engineer sa me test igal al orra kid et mul wasen dia kal gim gange mus bi igal al orra tao le 25 years later mo sabire mo weekend at galbi magi hara kumbali ra kuam el mel momring ta igal baras el belau igal black rock emrul mo all e piam tangara toba tak po tertil mungur sa igal kudalin med bitra blul abe monia typhoon munru or so it never made it and then they still refused to use Saigale or Belau Radao because no problem around you. Magiku mo adial lemora Taiwan magim gira la a black sand from land then ulmer Belau. It got delayed but you learned a lot.
O yung nga kamlo rolo pangkem le rulra getting it ready for grand opening. Dere kan malulume sa gigit challenges sa construction.
Mal manasule la oburat mutu la mal dimle encourage nga ma paules ma episong.
Selang give up.
Episong ame moritial construction tial tutaw magtamalewot tiati room nga sel la sel loleo te sa room makna mo gikra neighbors. En men laklo ya adribu le sister mel stove olger Glenn alen kami makmol mol bako ngul tutaw en ya ordo dia imakel mangala
Afil adi
pasim moral smi aru komilo legal naru leo ngil to mer Ureor moral inspiring Balbornia groundbreaking
so malgira del supporter mo relat
episo ngamel dimlel dial ngara program ole nga kamumud adu mamud adu wase spi armudrat mong Seid inspiration
support moral support
al biskaktikal maklol Seid aswa loli dengil moral migirela
kaman masawla
mong gadora atara mal black failure ngil business tial Palau Micronesia Air ada lil auditir ma lidera blul amal lil auditir kada mal loragil sabe de moko sokos hindi pia sometimes I got failures teach you some very valuable lessons.
I see.
Maybe someday, at the Lutal Mumrut or Ureor, Namomudu, ADBS nga tirgakib appraw dasra airliner Palau.
I see.
Yang nga support rin ilul das.
Len diakal ngarang kita sovereign country, kiril nga niya airliner.
I see.
Ito ka blue. Nga niya airliner.
Ngidra commerce and trade.
Di seldorura airline klokira ada Palau. Ako klok tutela kirela government sel blue helper ti.
I see.
And this woman tiak say kita help.
Taiwan is ang example.
Mo mring. Di aktiret lang durang kal president lang.
Same lang niya government
hindi mo kakabal
Hindi mo private sector mong maringan.
Mong kamamal founders lelo sa mal pitoludam surang family tide. Di self experience mulwasi. Ay gal bones ra ala tagek alu kladi en era airliner al sel. I know how to make this business work probably better than any other person that I know because I went from A to Z. And got the FAA approvals, got the security approvals, got the aircraft, got the flight attendant certified, got the pilot certified, and I flew. So now, and I had the reservation system built. So all these things we did, even though the airline failed, has given you that foundation. So, selbo moruringi again. And you know how to do it better. Makura di uldas, I'll make it short. I'll say, next time I'll bodo root or tial uldas. You're gonna see CC partner again. Whether it's Japan Airlines or Singapore Airline, and you just ride with their expertise and their strength.
Oh, may laka give up per tial uldas so maral giren nga niya national airline.
What airport they open? DPP.
Public-private partnership. And that's what we should do.
Yes.
And let me tell you, Palau has the greatest potential. You know, we flew from Palau to Darwin, Australia. And we can fly from here to Cairns. We can fly. You don't want to necessarily start the Mocampitra United. You need to support them. Go to new destinations and open new markets and collaborate with United because they can be a better partner for you if you collaborate. How much time do we have left? 1 minute. So I mean just 1 minute. So I'll say, wake up every morning and think about your dream.
Wake
up in the middle of the night and think about your dream.
Or have a dream.
Make a dream.
I see.
In my generation, the richest man at the time was a guy named Aristotle Onassis.
Oh yes.
He was the richest man, and he became even more famous when he married the first lady, Jackie. Jackie O. I've been really honored. I was on his yacht one time as a young man called Christina in Greece, and that's how I got inspired to the ship registry business. That's why I promoted this work. And this year, Palau will make nearly $2 million from the ship registry. So that inspiration kept me going as a congressman to promote, and it took more than 10 years to even get it to happen. But Aristotle, I studied his life. This is really what I want the young people to hear. There was no computers at the time. But Aristotle Onassis said, when you go to bed, put a pen and pencil next to your bed. When you have a vision about a business, wake up in the middle of the night and write it.
Write it down.
If you had a dream that inspired you, wake up and write it. So I'm the old school. I just write everything, what I think and what I think. And then you wake up and visualize. When I was thinking about Malaysia, I wake up at 2 in the morning and I walk on the streets of Lebu and I look at this building that I'm going to see one day, you know, I'm going to see. And it took so long. So don't give up on your dreams. Last point nga kasi, the Palauan young people, are at a threshold of a new era. The new era is digital age. Palau's borders will expand beyond the reef. And you as a Palauan can be here, but your business can reach to the world. And will help each other. I'll commit to work with you. I get role art sa other belau. About rule mo NFT multirara international market. Clear artister belau. We need to innovate and get the people that know this business.
Get into e-commerce.
And then the inspiration is Elon Musk, Marwa, Angklela. Not Microsoft, the guy from Amazon. What's his name?
Jeff Bezos.
Jeff Bezos. Their business are just 10 years old. I mean, these are new wealth. So the young people have a threshold to start new things. Be innovative, think. And all I ask, my closing remark, Mal giredalo ngitra president, cabinet ringi, mar other all bill especially. Ngirela National Development Bank el morio interest ringi. E girel mobile tertira alone of those that more are young entrepreneurs, even with risk. Le trapot el maringal luulan mo taib sridar other startup business say the lack of capital.
Yes, of course.
So we need to create funds. You know, get some funds from the US or from Taiwan and charge 2, 3, 5% interest. Don't charge 10%. So I keep saying this message, and I want the young people, and I want you, Irene, I want Pia, let's spread this message. We need access to capital, not for you and me only, but for the young people that want to start their business.
Aquaculture,
digital business, marketing.
Art,
Akora, digate medmak maldi merenga suliur kalte al. Engarnya togol del lirar adel lungil al dadu. Sel imora question Lora Thomas Edison and Manswal sharing I say, Mr. Edison, how did you learn to make the light bulb give light? And he responded by saying, well, it's not about knowing how to do it, but I learned 1,000 ways it doesn't work.
I like that. Oh, dia kameran masau lah.
Ya kalau mau kan setting lah. Alita rubas Santos.
Oh, tiala wat yang artian unlimited. Ya, last point nga kalman so kal dulil ku kumral waseng. Ndal balik Tekoi awa say al tulil Tekora English sa tulil Tekora well say he who fails to dream will be cursed never to have a dream come true. If you don't have a dream, you will never have a dream come true.
Kam talil to korbela.
Man marang.
Girel nga niya burusem, lalaka burusem, hindi ka burusem al motakoy.
I see.
Mom Rose, ebol blakar mom lortoy.
Andre te Rose yan as el tuwoyor.
Al dilwan man di ungil iya.
Kamran masauli adal barata. Til ay gidel burusem, matkora burus el blam sharing til ay mo osmrit al go program ri kita na DOTAUT, el DOTAUT. Yang el mang el mung talmen meges tele ay gal blam tungat mol mun siri ira ngalikel Palau ko kremeng so ase ndi ungil at fail edi nding malungil selam tu armo tal dia ka stop lo rose pal masao
pia mal di last next in the May mal di mo focus ra subject ra blockchain
why say
lengang anya connectivity ra blockchain el mora museum ma arts mga ngil mora business sige ta imora esel Tekoi modra digital. It's knocking on the door of Palau. And so I will focus on it next time. And maybe we can have another guest with us.
Yeah, the multi-ungin.